Real quick, I want to show you how to wind a bobbin on a brother sewing machine. Now, I think all brothers are the same because I have another brother that works the exact same way. So first you're going to take your thread and put it on. Now when I put it on, I always like to look for little lips or cuts because that will mess up everything. I'll just show you an example on this one. See how this is where you would like put the thread to lock it in place when you're done using it? When it's winding, it gets stuck in there, and that's not good. It snaps your thread. But yeah, put the plate on. And then follow the picture pretty much. You go under this guy. I'm going to do this one-handed. It's a little difficult. Okay. Around this guy. Boop, boop. Then you're going to put the thread through the top hole. Push that down. I like to pull this tight. You might need to do some adjusting here, but mine did not move, so I am good. And then you push. So now what I do is I hold the string up and I push the pedal. And from here I stop. I take my scissors. Usually I do it while it's winding, just because it's quicker. But I don't have that many hands right now. So you let it wind. And then it will stop whenever. And you take it off and then you cut this string. Okay, and then to put the bobbin in the bobbin case, see how my thread's going around? Like how this picture wants it? Drop it in. Follow the arrows. It's hard to do one-handed. There you go. And then you put the case back on. Shoot, while we're here, I'll teach you how to thread it too. Just pull it out of there. You're going to follow this down. Around. See how it says 3 up? And then you want to make sure your needle's all the way up. You see that silver thing? It's not up. So I'm going to take this and move it towards me. And now it's in an up position. So take that thread and you want to catch it behind that silver guy. So now it's caught, you see? Then you need to get the thread behind this little silver thing. You see how it's literally inside of it? Oh my god, my camera's broken. I need a new phone. And then thread your needle. My needle threader does not work for me. I think I do that part wrong. But you just put it in and pull. Now you're ready to sew.